Now, some of you that watch my videos, you've seen my dog, Sadie, in the video. She crashed into my son's leg. He can't walk, he can't drive, so I got to make him something to eat. Let's get on with this chuck roast. 3-pound chuck roast, no bone. Maybe a teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon of oil on that side. Just using it for a binder, right? Not even a half a teaspoon there. Okay, there we go. You can use salt, pepper, garlic. I'm going to use this Oak Ridge Barbecue Carne Crosta Steakhouse rub. I've used this on a few ribeyes in a New York strip. We absolutely love it. And you probably know the drill here. We're just going to season up all sides of this chuck roast. You can see I got a little flap here. I just want to make sure I get underneath both sides. And look, this chuck roast, as you can see, is quite thick. So you can go heavy on the rub. Just going to get this chuck roast on our Pit Boss pellet grill. And I've got this guy set on 225 degrees. That's what you see here. It's up to 205, 210 now. We're using cherry wood today. It's been about an hour and 40 minutes. You can see we got a little rain shower there. Just going to mist this guy up with that beef broth and water. The other thing we're going to do is get a temp probe in this guy. Okay? Let's get the lid down. Let it keep cooking. Hey, while that roast is cooking, I hope you will hit that thumbs up button, leave us a comment, subscribe. It's been 6 hours. We're at 1:58. And we're going to get this chuck roast out and wrap it. Let's get the temp probe out of the way. Let me get this over. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Let me get over to the foil. Just going to fold up the sides here. I know it's going to get difficult to see. Okay, like so. And we're going to put a little bit of that same beef broth and water. I don't know, maybe a 1/4 cup max. Okay, I'm just going to get it all tightened up into foil. I'm going to get this back on the Pit Boss. I'm going to get that temp probe in it, and we're going to get this lid back on. It's been 2 more hours, and our roast is at 199 degrees. To get this temp probe out, now this foil is going to be hot, so you need to be careful, right? Okay, let's get it open here. Well, I can tell you what, it sure smells good. Look at that beautiful color. We got that juice. Okay, just going to get it out of there. All right, got our roast there. Let me get this juice off. Now you could save this and make a gravy if you wanted. I'm going to hit it up with that Virginia Gentleman Bourbon barbecue sauce, right? I'm going to use this chuck roast. I'm going to make it for my son, as I told you earlier. But he'll make sandwiches out of this. So let's get a nice layer of this bourbon barbecue sauce on it. Look, you can make your own homemade. Use your own store-bought. I love the flavor of bourbon on beef. Just going to get the back side of this. Oh, I got to tell you, smells so good. Okay. We're going to get the lid back down on it and let it go another 20, 30 minutes. Roast has been resting here. Look at that beautiful color on the outside. Okay. Let's have a look. You can certainly see the smoke ring that Pit Boss gave us. Okay. I got my fingers here. I'm just going to eat this piece, right? Oh, yeah, this is going to be perfect for sandwiches. Look at that. Can you see the, look, I don't know if you can see this in the video. Can you see the juice coming out of that guy? There, you can see that juice. Oh, let's give this a try. Just going to get a little piece of that roast. Oh, it is so juicy. Awesome beef flavor. Smoke in that Virginia Gentleman barbecue sauce. So mild, right? We just did a thin layer on the top. We didn't even do the bottom. I hope you give this recipe a try.